Firstly, what you have to do is just simply open the post or a project where you want to add shadow behind an element. So as you can see, I have a post right over here. Now I want to add a shadow behind this person right over here. So it's a very easy process. Just simply select the person, then go to the edit photo option, and right over here you will have an option of shadow under effects panel. Click on that option, and then you will have few options down over here. Just simply choose the drop option. Now wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, you will find a shadow right over here. Now currently it is not perfect, so you have to play with the amounts right over here too. So after doing some modifications in the parameters over here, you can get results like this over here too. So again, just simply select the element for whom you want the shadow, then click on shadow option, then play around with the parameters over here. Now the numbers over here will definitely be different for you because depending on the element, the shadow will vary. So this is how you can get shadow behind your element in Canva. So if you want to subscribe to Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.